Artificial intelligence is no longer just a trend for the tech industry. It's becoming one of the most important skills any professional can have, regardless of your field. We're seeing a divide form. On one side are the people who are growing quickly in their careers. On the other are those who are slowly getting left behind. Today, I want to break down why investing in AI training is one of the smartest career moves you can make right now. We will cover 7 key areas that show you exactly why AI matters and what it can do for your future, whether you're a professional, a leader, or an entrepreneur. Let's jump straight in. Let's start with career advancement. If you want to stand out in a crowded job market, this is one of the most direct ways to do it. Employers are actively searching for people who understand AI, not just in theory, but in practice. When you know how to use AI to improve workflows, increase efficiency, and uncover new opportunities, you instantly bring more value to any team. Think about this scenario. It's time to choose someone to lead a new project. Who gets selected? The person who sticks to the old way of doing things, or the person who knows how to use new tools to get better results faster? AI training sends a clear signal that you're forward-thinking, proactive, and ready to lead. It positions you as an asset who can navigate the future of work. Next, let's talk about your most valuable resource, your time. Every job has tasks that feel like busy work. This could be manual data entry, sorting through information, conducting research that takes forever, or writing the same types of emails over and over. AI is exceptionally good at handling these repetitive, time-consuming tasks. With the right training, you can automate a significant portion of this work. Imagine generating detailed reports in minutes or simplifying complex research that used to take hours. You are not replacing your skills, you are amplifying them. What would you do with several extra hours every week? That's time you can dedicate to strategy, creativity, or connecting with clients. It makes your work not just faster, but genuinely more fulfilling. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Industries everywhere are adopting AI at a pace we've never seen before, and businesses that hesitate are already starting to fall behind. I can tell you this from my own experience. As an entrepreneur for over 20 years, I saw an immediate difference when I started applying AI inside our own company. We lowered operational costs, increased profits, and completed work faster without sacrificing quality. This isn't just my story. Liza from 50 Flowers shared that their training made AI practical and actionable for their marketing strategy. It aligned her team and boosted efficiency across the board. That's the kind of competitive edge AI provides for businesses right now. AI is evolving quickly. The tools that are popular today might be replaced by something even better tomorrow. So how do you stay ahead of that constant change? This is where proper training is critical. A great course doesn't just teach you how to use a specific tool. It teaches you how to think about AI strategically. You learn the fundamentals. You learn how to evaluate new tools as they emerge. You learn how to adapt your strategies as the technology evolves. This approach helps you build a resilient, future-proof skill set that doesn't depend on one platform or one feature. It keeps you relevant, confident, and ready for whatever comes next in the technological landscape. Gut feelings are valuable, but the best business decisions come from a mix of intuition and reliable data. AI gives you access to insights that would take a human hours or even days to find. With proper training, you learn how to turn massive amounts of raw data into clear, actionable guidance. You can understand customer behavior more deeply, spot market trends early, reduce risks, and make choices based on evidence instead of guesswork. These are the skills that make you a more strategic and influential voice in any organization. We've seen this happen again and again. People finish training and suddenly find new clarity. For example, an entrepreneur named Jenna reported that AI saved her 17 hours a week. A director of sales, Christine, said she finally felt confident applying AI in her actual role, moving beyond theory. So the question becomes, how do you get started? The most effective path is structured AI training that focuses on real-world application. At AI Smart Ventures, we offer 2 programs built exactly for this purpose. The Applied AI Course Level 1 is a 10-week certification-based program where you'll learn everything from prompt engineering to creating custom AI agents. It includes live classes, workshops, and hands-on support. By the end, you earn an Applied AI Level 1 certification to prove your new skills. For business owners and managers who want to automate processes quickly, there's also the AI Your Operations course. It's a 4-week program focused entirely on building and deploying real automations inside your business. We use a simple framework: define, design, develop, deploy, to help you create systems that save time and cut costs. Whichever path you choose, the bottom line is this: AI isn't replacing professionals. It's advancing the ones who know how to use it. The people who invest in AI training now are the ones who will grow faster, stay relevant longer, and lead the next wave of innovation. If you're ready to take the next step, you can join one of our upcoming programs or download our AI readiness checklist to get started. Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you want AI to help you with in your career? AI is evolving quickly. The tools that are popular today might be replaced by something even better tomorrow. So how do you stay ahead of that constant change? This is where proper training is critical. A great course doesn't just teach you how to use a specific tool, it teaches you how to think about AI strategically. You learn the fundamentals. You learn how to evaluate new tools as they emerge. You learn how to adapt your strategies as the technology evolves. This approach helps you build a resilient, future-proof skill set that doesn't depend on one platform or one feature. It keeps you relevant, confident, and ready for whatever comes next in the technological landscape.